Hello friends, this is Divya and I'm back with another episode of Personalities. I hope you're enjoying these videos. Please share as much as you can and subscribe Vaish's channel. Press the bell notification as well. And I hope you have joined the test series. If you have not, it is you know it is a golden opportunity for you. And if you miss it, you will miss it, right? And also follow the timetable religiously. It will be very helpful for you so that you can comfortably prepare and finish your syllabus in time, right? So let's begin. So Chandrasekhar Azad, he was born on 23rd July 1906 and he died on 27th February 1931. So Chandrasekhar Azad was born on 23rd July 1906 in Bhabra village, and he was known as Chandrasekhar Tiwari, and he was born in the princely state of Ali Rajpur. When the no confidence, cooperation movement was at its height, Chandrasekhar Azad was then 15-year-old student and he joined it. As a result, he was arrested on 20th December. Now, as a revolutionary. So, after the suspension of the non-cooperation movement in 1922 by Mahatma Gandhi, we know it followed. It was followed. This decision was taken after Chori Chora incidents. So Chandrasekhar Azad became very disappointed, and he met a young revolutionary, Manmat Nath Gupta, who introduced him to Ramprasad Bismil, who had formed Hindustan Republic Association, that is HRA, a revolutionary organization. He then became an active member of the HRA and started to collect fund for HRA. Most of the fund collected was from the was through the robberies of government properties. We know the famous Kakuri conspiracy, and he was involved in the Kakuri train robbery of 1925, the shooting of uh, John P. Saunders at Lahore in 1928 to avenge the killing of Lala Lajpat Rai, and we know Bhagat Singh was also involved in this, and he was hanged. He was executed later, and at last, in the attempt to blow up the Viceroy of India's train in 1929. Now his activities in Jhansi. Chandrasekhar Azad made Jhansi his organization's hub for some time. He used the forest of Orchha, situated 15 kilometers from Jhansi, as a site for shooting practice and being an expert marksman. He trained other members of his group. He built a hut near to a Hanuman temple on the banks of Satar river and lived there under the alias of Pandit Hari Shankar Brahmachari for a long period. He taught children from the nearby village of Dhimarpura and thus managed to establish a good rapport with the local residents. One of his main supporters was Bundelkhand Kesari Diwan Shatrughan Singh, the founder of the freedom movement in Bundelkhand. He gave Chandrasekhar Azad financial assistance along with weapons and fighters. Chandrasekhar Azad visited his fort multiple times in Mangarod. Now with Bhagat Singh. The Hindustan Republic Association, that is HRA, was formed by Ramprasad Bismil, Jogesh Chandra Chatterjee, Sachendra Nath Sanyal and Sachendra Nath Bakshi in 1923. In the aftermath of Kakori train robbery in 1925, the British suppressed revolutionary activities. Ramprasad Bismil, Ashfaqullah Khan, Thakur Roshan Singh, Rajendra Nath Lahiri were sentenced to death for their participation. Chandrasekhar Azad, Chakravarti, Murari Lal Gupta evaded capture. Chandrasekhar Azad later reorganized the HRA with the help of fellow revolutionaries like Shiv Varma and Mahabir Singh. In 1928, along with Bhagat Singh and other revolutionaries, he secretly reorganized the HRA, renaming it as the Hindustan Socialist Republic Association, that is HSRA, on 8 to 9 September, so as to achieve their primary aim of an independent India based on socialist principle. On 27th February 1931, the CID, head of the police at Allahabad, Sir J.R.H. Not Bauer, was tipped off by someone that Chandrasekhar Azad was at Alfred Park in Allahabad and was having a talk with his companion Sukhdev Raj. The police arrived at the park and surrounded it from all the sides. Though Sukhdev Raj escaped uninjured, but Chandrasekhar Azad hid himself behind a tree and he tried to save himself and he began to fire from behind. The police fired back after a long shootout, holding true to his pledge to always remain Azad, free, and never be captured alive. He shot himself in the head with his gun's last bullet. His body was sent to Rasulabad Ghat for cremation without informing the general public. As it came to light, people surrounded the park where the incident had taken place. They chanted slogans against British Raj and praised Chandrasekhar Azad. Now, his legacy, many movies have been made on him, and many schools and many buildings are named after him, and I've told many books are also written on him, about his patriotism. So with this, we have come an end to this episode. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much. If you're liking these videos, do share. Don't forget to share these videos, and also we'll meet in the next one. Keep studying. Thank you.